What's up, guys? Stellar Seller Sam here. I am about to go to I was sick all last week and I did not get to go out sourcing. So I kind of had to make up for some lost time, I guess you could say. So we're going to go hit a few stores. We're going to see what we can find and hopefully we'll get some good stuff. So come on with me and let's go see if we can find some treasures while we're thrifting. Oh my gosh, the parking lot is packed for this Goodwill. Yes, this is exactly the type of thing that I love to find first thing when I come in the store. They were hanging on the end of the racks, and so yeah, a pair of men's Lululemon pants. Okay, that's why somebody stuck them on the end of the rack. I can't grab these. Dang it! Okay, this is a little better. New with tags, which is much better than the damaged Lululemon. So this is a fresh produce dress. So this will sell pretty well. I'm definitely going to pick this up. Here are some men's size 34 North Face pants, but they're like the tech pants. Oh, I know I can get the stain out, but I'm not sure about that place where it was unstitched. Would you guys still pick these up to try to sell, or would you leave them behind? I'm so sorry, guys, but spoiler alert, I find a ton of Athleta today. Some of it I picked up, and some of it I didn't. This one, I did not. A nice corally pink pair of men's, let's see what size this is, 32, so that's a good size. Vineyard Vines pants. This is like an older pair, I believe, but they're in really good condition. Now, since I would only sell these for like 18 bucks, they have to be in great condition. I got so excited when I found this. I thought maybe it was like the brand that sells for a ton of money, but it wasn't. But anyway, I'd love to go to the Bahamas, and that's not gonna happen. And here is a not vintage Furby that I was like, okay, well, maybe he can go for some good money anyway, but not without the battery thingamabobber. Yeah, no, I was sad I couldn't get him. I thought this was like Lion King, and I flipped it over, and it is, but it was also Build-A-Bear. I was sure it was going to be a good one to pick up, but the comp said no. If these cute little Noah's Ark bookends weren't $4 a piece, I would get them, but the comps didn't look good, so I left them behind. Oh my gosh, guys, I have to tell you what just happened. I was over in the coats, and there was this vintage Carhartt coat. And this lady walks right around me, grabs it, and walks off right in front of me. So then, what do? I decide to stalk her the rest of the time. And no, I wasn't going to steal it from her, but I was going to hide and see if maybe she was going to leave her cart behind. But no, she didn't. And you can't see, but right in the middle there is my coat. Is this worth picking up? So it's Title IX, it's in a size large, and it's in really good shape. I think I can sell it as long as I price it just right on eBay. It's not going to go for a ton, but I think I can still sell it. Why do I even keep picking up Gymshark? I don't know, but I actually did buy this because it's super soft and lightweight, and I got it for myself. Well, I guess the question is this tacky or is this cute? I guess it just depends. I don't know, but usually stuff like this will sell. So here are some comps, and it's by Anthropologie. I think it's a bit of a smaller size, but I still had to pick it up. I couldn't resist. Eileen Fisher with no size that I can find. So I don't know. I don't know whether I want to get something that doesn't have the size tag on it or not. Usually if that happens, I just measure it and compare it to other ones like it. So maybe I'll just do that. I don't know. It was really cute, nice lightweight, so it'd be good for spring and fine for summer. This is my second time only finding the Rails brand. So, but y'all, this has lightning bolts on it, and they're golden and glittery. I had to get it. I couldn't leave it behind. I don't think it was going to be anything that sells really fast or for a lot, but I think it'll sell. Yeah, and for being white, it was in really good condition also. Usually when I find white stuff, it's in terrible condition. So, I don't don't know. Let's get it. And this is the third white one in a row. Maybe they all came from the same person who loves to wear white. But what is this? Oh my gosh. Is this like a romper type thing? Because, wow, this looks really small. Okay, I can't make sense of what this is because it looks way too short to be a shirt and shorts. This is really confusing. Okay, so does this part maybe hang off of the shoulder? Now, I don't even know. I couldn't figure it out, so I didn't buy it. If I'm not mistaken, I think Tiny is an Anthropologie brand. So, but look at how cute this is. I think this one will sell great. It's definitely that boho style, and the size is really a great size to sell. I see one tiny little stain I think will come out just fine. That's coming home with me. Okay, so this is like a Cody James leather vest. I've heard of Cody James, but I haven't picked it up before. And it has cute little buffaloes on these snaps right here. I have not sold a piece by Cody James, so I'm going to look up the comps and I'll put them up right here for you. I don't know about the sell-through rate. I'll have to take a look at that too, but this is in really good condition. Look at the little paisley design there. I don't know. I like it. I'm going to buy it and hopefully get it on my cart to take home. There were 2 pair of these polo pants. This one had a little spot on it and the other pair behind it does not. Now these have to be in perfect condition for me to buy and in a good size also because I'm not going to be able to get a lot for either one of them. So I left the one darker pair behind and picked up these. They even had a dry cleaning tag on them. They were in perfect shape. All right, so we have one more store to go, and I'm going to check out the toys, shoes, hats, some of the other stuff in this one before I leave. So this is the brand Huck. I don't know. I always thought it was Huck, but then I heard somebody on YouTube say Hook. So which one is it? Do you guys know? This isn't going to sell for a lot. If it had the tags on it still, I would buy it to sell, but I just got it for my son. Now these shoes are by the brand Spider, and I'll put up the comps like for them for what they sell for new, and these actually look new. So I don't know, I'm just gonna price them really high and maybe they'll sell more toward the winter time. I don't know. I also picked up these pair of yellow shoes which looked like they'd be great for like the fall or something. They're by the brand Riker, I guess it's Riker. They are like a comfort brand, but to me this just had too many issues with it. Like the threading was all fuzzy and everything. I was so close to buying these, but I decided not to. All right, so let's just glance through the toys real quick. That looks scary. No Teletubby with a broken nose for me. Oh, look at that. Okay, so a glove. I've picked up a few gloves and some of them sell amazing. Now this one looks like it has a name on it. I don't know. Is that going to hurt the price? Anyway, so I'll show you the comps up here, but I actually liked that. All right, so we are headed to the second and last store of the day as I about drop my camera. And the first thing I see is a Yankee Candle. And the cool thing about some of these is that they can actually sell really well. Now, I got that candle, but I did not get this one. What I did get from this one is hungry and a desire for chocolate cake. So at the end of this video, check out what we pick up. All right, so I headed off to the kids' shoes. Oh, disgusting, gross, but look at these. They are notorious for marking up J. Crew shoes of any kind. They didn't mark these up. Ha! So I get them for $5 and hopefully they'll resell pretty well. Headed through the little purses here, and oh my gosh, this Kate Spade purse was absolutely beautiful and would be awesome for spring. Now in the past, like back a year or so ago, they would have marked this to maybe $10, $15, $20. $60? There's no way I can make money off of this. I had to leave it behind. All right, I'm going to head over to the clothes now. I just can't seem to find anything in the hard goods and purses that isn't marked up or just not worth it. All right, so somebody apparently left their entire cabbie collection, so I just decided to go ahead and grab them. I mean, why not? So these were all like, I think a large or extra large. I think the first one was a medium, but oh my gosh, they were in such good condition. Now, if they wouldn't have been in good condition, I would not have picked them up because they're going to cost me about $4.25 a piece. This is a men's Jordan hoodie, and they forgot to mark it up as well, so I get it for $4.75. Here are some Gymsharks extra large. I'm going to try it. Why not? All right, I got tired of holding the camera, so I put the camera down and just went to show you this stuff. That was an Eileen Fisher like organic dress. This is an Athleta maxi skirt. I have not sold a maxi skirt by Athleta, so let's see how that does. This is a 2X pair of Athleta. I told you earlier, Athleta came across me a lot in this trip. These are going to sell well because of the size. Again, Athleta, but this was only $1 off the clearance rack. Oh my gosh, what do you know? Another Athleta, and these were in great shape. Little size medium joggers. Really, really good shape, or I would not have picked it up. Let's check the dresses. All right, so now Bowden was the one that wanted to jump out. That was a Bowden dress I didn't get, but I did get this one. It's a larger size, so I think that will help it sell. And it's really pretty. I mean, not really much of a spring summer dress, but it was really pretty. I also grabbed this one. I love the corduroy look to it. And so the dresses are $6.50. I think I could sell both of those well enough to make a profit on them. What do you guys think? Do you think those were good pickups, or should I left the dresses behind? I must have found the last cabbie thing that person donated. Here is like a jumper. It is so cute, and it was in really, really good condition. So I went ahead and I grabbed this also, and I think this will do well. It's really light, so it'd be great for spring or summer. And then everything looks great on it. I checked the zipper. I try to check everything, but I miss stuff all the time. And here I am casually sneaking a peek at the colors of the week coming up.
Mom, why are you getting cake?
Because I smelled a candle.
That makes no sense.